Hi there. So I'm currently at work here at night, and I am editing the vlog you're about to see, but I noticed there was some missing information, so I'm here to fill you in. Me and Lee Hao were driving through France, and at some point we just got hungry, and we were looking for a restaurant. Um, but in France, the times for when you eat are very strict. Restaurants only open at like 7:30 or 7 at the earliest. We weren't aware of that yet at this moment. But we found a restaurant, drove to it, and we started walking towards it, and a woman came to meet us. And the woman asked us, like, what we're here for. And we said, we want to eat, we're looking for a restaurant, we're hungry. And she said, oh, sorry, we're not open. And we're also not really a restaurant. We did all this communication through the phone with Google Translate. So they weren't open, and also there weren't a normal restaurant. They usually only served like sweet stuff. So we're like, okay, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding, and me and Liho went back to the car. So me and Liha were sitting in the car on their parking lot, looking on our phone, like seeing if we could find a different restaurant where we could eat. And suddenly she knocked on my window, and she was like, "Hey, I have food for you if you want." I was like, "Oh, that's very nice." Like, she said, "Yeah, if you just want to eat, I'll make something for you. It's okay. You can come in." It's like, awesome. So I asked her, like, how much? How much will it cost? And she said, well, it's going to be like 50 euros. And I was like, ooh, that's a little bit expensive. That's a lot of money. And so I told her, sorry, we don't have that much with us right now, which was true. We didn't have 50 euros in our pockets. And she said, well, how much? And that made me and Lihao laugh. It was a very nice lady. And she said, and because we laughed, she said, it's business. It was very funny. I was like, okay. I looked Lihao in the eyes a little bit, and we thought about it. And I said, 30 euros. And she was like, okay, come in. So she opened the restaurant just for us, and she served us a beautiful, super tasty dinner. It was amazing. I'm not saying that just because she's nice. It was actually really good food. So, yeah. The story picks up after we're done with dinner, and you guys have fun watching this vlog. That restaurant was awesome. I mean, it was a restaurant for just Lihao and me.
Yep.
Right?
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. The lady that helped us was very nice.
Yeah, so sweet.
So sweet, yeah. And as you heard, like I told you, we got to decide our own price. Mm-hmm. And in return, because she actually gave us good food, we were maybe thinking we were just gonna get a microwave dinner or something, right?
No.
But we
didn't, but sure.
Well, we did hear the microwave in the background.
Yeah.
But it was actually really good food, and in return, I told her I would leave a good review, which I did on Google, and here it is. And I also told her I would tell my people, that's you guys. So, Argana Cuisine, a very good little restaurant. They mainly serve sweet stuff like cakes and baklava, and it's a small, awesome little Arabic place.
I think it felt more like an event place.
Yeah.
So we don't really know how to do if you want to go there to actually eat for an evening.
Yeah.
But they did have a restaurant in a different location.
Yeah. And also, apparently she has friends with bed and breakfasts.
Yeah.
Because she was offering those to us as well. Mm-hmm. But definitely, if you are in the neighborhood, definitely look into it. You won't regret it.
Yeah.
It's a very nice person and a very well-kept, nice place.
Yeah.
So, all right. We are today gonna drive towards some waterfalls. At least one, maybe more. Depends on how much time we have.
Yep.
And enjoy those. Driving time.
Whip.
Here we are at the parking for the waterfall.
Yeah.
The hike, according to a Google review, is about 20 minutes. We are prepared. Got a backpack full of water, my water filter, and sun cream, and even an umbrella if the sun gets too strong.
Yes.
Are you ready for it, darling?
It's very warm.
It is very warm. Sadly, Lee Hao did want to bring her sun hat, but she left it at home. And I brought a baseball cap, and I lost it. So we're doing great. All right, let's start walking.
Yeah.
I didn't know we were this high up. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, there's a waterfall.
Yeah, no, remember. Holy crappers.
That was unexpected. And that's just next to parking. Yep. Whoop. Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna follow that one. It's yellow red. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they said yellow red and suddenly it's white red. I don't, mean to sound negative or anything, but I think French people are really bad at signage.
And also Germans.
Germans too. But I haven't
The
got.
UNESCO one.
Oh yeah, UNESCO was bad. But I haven't gotten lost on a hike since a very long time. And then
Yeah, you got lost yesterday.
yesterday I got lost on the hike here in
that.
France. Now we know how deep it is if you, fall to your left. Oh, I like.
Yeah.
Here, another thing. Here. It said yellow red, and now it's red yellow. And the white used to be there, but it's gone. Like, which one do you follow?
I don't know. The steps?
Oh, look at that! You'll do fine, honey. Very beautiful. Very good looking. The surrounding area too.
Yes. Of course.
Don't talk to strangers.
Not interested.
Keep going. Look at those rocks. Up the stairs we go. Luckily in the shade. Oh. Oh. And I mean, it looks kind of cool, but yeah. We just translated a sign with Google Translate and these circular holes that you see are because small little rocks get trapped in like rock formations, and they start in the water, they start going around and making those big divots. I have seen those divots a lot, but I never knew why they formed. Now I know. Stay normal.
But I can.
Okay.
Ouh là là. Incroyable.
Beautiful place, lots of steps, lots of heat too.
That's why you have one of these.
Yeah.
Spray, spray.
Show and tell, show and tell.
What? Oh.
Show and tell.
A spray bottle with water. Surprisingly nice. Oh, sorry. I thought you were ready for it. Here it comes.
I was about to say, redo that because it was in front of your face. It's going to be a hard time blurring.
Okay. Ooh.
Ah, it's so nice.
It is nice.
It's very nice.
One in the neck.
Show them the bottle and tell them what it is. Here, it's in front of your face. Yeah,
It's a little spray bottle that I normally use for my painting. But it's just water and then spray
it's
it.
So nice to have a little spray when it doesn't go directly into your eye, though.
Sorry. Surprisingly nice. Just
All right.
cools you off.
Let's keep walking. I know I blurred that face, but it was really sexy. It was a beautiful waterfall.
Yes.
I mean, it still is a beautiful waterfall. It's over there, but we have to go. We have to get going.
Yeah. We have places to be.
Yeah, we are gonna meet up with a friend of Leehouse, who lives in Lyon,
Yo.
and we still have a 3-hour drive to get there. So
let's get cracking.
yep, but I'm not mad we stopped here.
That's good. Me neither.
Yeah, there was a beautiful waterfall. Happy to see that France has these kinds of beautiful attractions.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna hike back to the car and then we have a long drive. Honk honk. Honk honk. YouTube says you might enjoy this video. Go ahead and give it a try.